Okay, I had to do this quick review of the Cuisinart machine, that dual brew, whatever you call this thing. I got to show you how to get the red light out first off. And I'm going to show you what happened after my 3-year review. There was a problem that's going on right now, and you'll actually see it. So the first thing is you want to do 23 ounces of water to get the red light off. I already did it, and I messed up the first video, so I started it up again. Okay, and then you use 13 ounces of vinegar. Put them in the back, which I did. It almost fills it all the way up. Hold, see the red light? Hold these two buttons. Oh, come on. Did I push them out of order? And it should start flashing. The red should flash. No, it didn't. It didn't activate. That is not it. That was not it. I don't know why it did that. Let's push them tighter. There it goes. See, so you saw, that's what happened in the first video. It's weird. Maybe it moved back on me. So now it activated, right? Now, here's the problem. Now, I don't know if it's going to do it in cleaning mode. I have water dripping right out of the side here, okay? And it's coming out. Now, I don't know if it's going to start doing it yet, but when we make coffee, it comes out of the side, and I don't know why. You can see it dripping kind of all over the place up there. Now, I don't know why it's been coming out of the side. I don't have a K-cup in it right now. And maybe that's why I'm not seeing it. It could be maybe that little rubber gasket in the top, but it fills up this bottom container. Every 2 days I have to empty it. And it's annoying. It gets my counter wet and everything. And it drips right out of here. And you're not seeing it right now because I don't have a K-cup in it. I'm still using the machine and it still fills the cup, but I do get that annoying drip. And it drips onto here and it drips on my counters. My counters are all wet. In fact, they're probably still wet now. Let me see. No, they're not. But, you know, that was the only annoying thing that happened. So, I do like the machine. 3 years I got out of it. Would I buy it again? I don't know. I never really used the coffee side of it. I probably would. You know, I did like the machine. It's definitely faster heating up than the K-Cup one or the Keurig one. It's definitely faster than the Keurig, that's for sure. So you hit these two buttons, you hold them until that red light starts flashing, and now when this is done, it's going to be done. Now, I do it a few times because it's going to smell like vinegar. You know, that's one thing that stinks. Your coffee's going to smell like vinegar after this. So I run it through a few steps. I get that thing to pump out. I get it out, and then I run fresh water and do it again and again and again. So, all right, hope that helped anybody deciding what to do with the Keurig. The things I do like about the machine, I'm a coffee drinker. So I don't actually have a cup right here. I use this big 7-Eleven cup, okay? This is what I put in there, and it fits. That's what I put in there. Now, that is not going to fit in the Keurig. That fits right in here. Smooth as can be, goes right in. If you have a small cup, you get a lot of splashing. There's a lot, you could see a lot of splashing now. So what happens is it does splash. It will get out of the cup and it'll land on this thing. It'll land a little on your counter if you have a cup like this. If you have this kind of cup, it's going to be sloppy. But I'm a coffee drinker, so I load it up. All right, that was my 3-year review. The only problem I have is water dripping out of the side. It only seems to do it when there's a K-cup in there. So I guess the K-cup adds more pressure, or there is a little round gasket up on top that pushes on the top of the K-cup. Maybe it's that. If I find out, I will definitely mention it in the comments. So hope this helped anybody trying to get the red light out or to see if you want to buy one of these.